So revision sake, once more I'm telling you, differentiation of constant is 0. Differentiation of x to power n is nx to power n minus 1. Differentiation of e to power x is e to power x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Differentiation of a to power x is a to power x into log a. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Then differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Then it comes to differentiation of u into v, means product rule. Product rule says first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. First function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. Last is quotient rule. Quotient rule says us that differentiation of u upon v is v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v upon v square. So these are some of the differentiation formulas which you need to remember always. Questions based on it I'm going to start now. So let us take our first question as y equals to whatever is given, we will write that equals to y. So y equals to x into x plus 1. See, this could be done directly also. Directly means I could write y equals to x square plus x. I could write it y equals to x square plus 1. Now when I'm going for differentiation, its differentiation will be dy on dx equals to, this is x to power n1 formula. X to power n1 formula. So x to power n formula is nx to power n minus 1. Nx to power means 2, x to the power 2 minus 1. Then differentiation of x will be 1. So 2x plus 1 will be 2x plus 1 will be the differentiation of this. Now same thing I'm going to do with the product rule. So product rule is differentiation of u into v is equals to u differentiation of v plus v differentiation of u. So first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. So that we need to implement in this. So let us think what best I could do with this particular question. So it is first function is x and second function is x plus 1. So first function differentiation of second plus second function, that is x plus 1 differentiation of first. So it will become x differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 1 means constant, and the differentiation of constant is 0 plus x plus 1. Now differentiation of x is 1. So it will become x plus 1. That is 2x plus 1 is the derivative of x into x plus 1. So both the ways are giving us same answer, but every time we are not able to implement both the things. Some of the cases we need to go with one only. Like a question comes y equals to sin x into cos x. Now simplification trigonometrically is not that easy, so directly we are going to apply differentiation. So let us apply dy on dx equals to first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. So it will be sin x, the differentiation of cos x. The differentiation of cos x is minus sin x as per the formula, plus cos x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Either we can leave it at this place or we can implement some of the identities from trigonometry. So I'm applying the identities at least for the revision sake. So minus sine into sine, sine square x plus cos into cos, cos square x. So cos square x minus sine square x, that is cos square x minus sine square x is one of the identity cos 2x. So like I would do this question also. It's good, important, and also I could say it is very easy question. So I suppose you all are able to do this question. Now we are going for the question tool. Question tool is, last time we have done the differentiation of 10x using question tool. This time I am going to do the question with the cot. Hope you remember the differentiation of cot x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. Now that we are going to see using question tool. So y equals to, it is given to us cot x, and the differentiation of cot x, differentiation of cot x will be minus cosec square x. Just to verify this, you need not to do like this way. Cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x. Cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x. So differentiation dy on dx. Hope you remember question tool. Let me write over here. Differentiation of u upon v equals to v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v upon v square. So this is said as question tool. We are going to implement this. So what it will become? Denominator, that is sin x, differentiation of numerator, that is cos x, minus numerator, that is cos x, differentiation of denominator, that is sin x, upon sin x to whole square. Again, keep in mind, question tool says us that denominator, differentiation of numerator, minus numerator, differentiation of denominator upon denominator to square. So it will become sin x, differentiation of cos x is negative sin x, minus cos x, differentiation of sin x will be cos x, whole upon sin square x. Now it is minus sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x. I could take minus sign common over here. I could take minus sign common over here. If I am taking minus sign common, it will become plus, and sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So it will become minus 1 upon sin square x, and 1 upon sin square x is cos x. So it will be minus cosec square x. So as per, I was trying to do the same question using question tool, and with that also we are getting the differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. So whatever technique you are applying, you will be getting the same answer. So differentiation of y equals to x plus cos x upon 10x. When we are going to differentiate it, it will become dy on dx is equals to denominator, that is 10x, ddx of numerator, that is x plus cos x, minus numerator, that is x plus cos x, differentiation of denominator, that is 10x, whole upon 10x to whole square. This is denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator to whole square. So it will become 10x the differentiation of x will be 1 and cos x will be minus sin x minus x plus cos x. 10x differentiation is sec square x whole upon 10 square x. We can leave this at this spot also, or we can take it separate also. So it's not any issue. If you are leaving at this point, then also you will be getting the full marks. One more question I'm taking. This is y is equals to sin to power nx. So what we could do with this question? See now, y equals to sin to power nx. I could also write it y equals to sin x to whole power n. Sin x to whole power n. When we will differentiate it, dy on dx equals to sin x to whole power n. So first of all, we will be going for solving the power. We are solving for the power. So it will be n sin x to whole power n minus 1. N sin x to whole power n minus 1 into differentiation of sin x. And differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Sorry, differentiation of sin x. I have written directly cos x. It is written differentiation of sin x. After differentiating, it will become cos x. So it is n sin n minus 1 x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. More simplifying, if you want to simplify more, you could, but leaving at this spot also, there is no issue, no problem. You can leave the answer at this point also. Y is equals to 4, root x is x to power 1 by 2 minus 2. Now dy on dx is equals to 4, x to power n. X to power n is n x to power n minus 1 minus differentiation of 2 will be 0. 2 x to power 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. It will become 2 upon root x dy on dx. So it is the differentiation. So I suppose you will be able to do this also. These are some of the homework questions which you need to do at your home. With this, you will be able to revise the chapter nicely. Only 3 questions from each topic. Altogether, I have given you 9 questions. So this much you must practice, so that you must be able to revise the whole chapter. These are good and important. So please take care of these chapters. Now next chapter we will start tomorrow onwards. That will help you to revise another topic. So that I'll decide tomorrow what chapter we need to start after asking to some of the students. So till the time, see this, note down these questions.